Let me show you how to make this vitamin C serum that will not oxidize. This is literally the best vitamin C serum for your skin right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my voice in this video. I can't say really what took my voice. Also in this video, I'll be showing you how I made this vitamin C serum that will not oxidize. This serum is also hydrating and your skin will definitely love this one. First, I'll be preparing my thickening phase, and here I measured out my xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is a polymer and it helps to thicken the formulation to the consistency that would need to get. Here I'm going to be using just 0.2%. In today's video, I'll be making 200 grams of this vitamin C serum, and so here I have 0.4 grams of xanthan gum. Next, I'll be going in with my vegetable glycerin. This is a good choice of solvent to dissolve xanthan gum, and it's also a super humectant, which means it's going to help hydrate the skin. I'm going to stir this until the xanthan gums completely dissolve. After dissolving my xanthan gum, I am going to be weighing in hyaluronic acid powder into this. Here I have low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and it is a super humectant that would help to keep the skin hydrated. It also has great anti-aging properties, skin healing properties, and a great pair to vitamin C to plump the skin. So I'll mix my hyaluronic acid together with the xanthan gum in the vegetable glycerin, and then I'll just set this aside and measure my remaining ingredients. I'll be weighing in my lemon hydrosol. I'm using lemon hydrosol in place of water. Lemon hydrosol is packed with a lot of vitamin C and citric acid from the peels and the juice of the lemon, which makes it a perfect choice for a vitamin C serum. I will dissolve the water into two parts. The first would be to dissolve my vitamin C, and the other would be to dissolve my vitamin E. So for my vitamin C here, I'm going to be using 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. This is a derivative of vitamin C and is more stable than L-ascorbic acid. Also, this one would oxidize like L-ascorbic acid, and it is very potent. It also doesn't require a very low pH like L-ascorbic acid. This will do just fine at a pH of 5. It is also a very powerful antioxidant, just like all vitamin C derivatives. It helps to brighten the skin and evidently reduce the signs of aging. It is also a very great choice when making vitamin C creams, vitamin C lotions, vitamin C body washes, because it is stable at a very moderate pH. So for this video, in this formula, I'm going to be using 5% of ethyl ascorbic acid, so that makes it 10 grams for 200 grams batch size. I am also going to be weighing out my Tocopheryl acetate, also known as vitamin E powder, and I'm going to have 0.5% in this formula, which gives me about 1 gram for a 200 grams batch size. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, and pairing with vitamin C is a beautiful choice. You would agree with me. So I will dissolve both powders in the part of water that has been measured out respectively. Here I'm dissolving in my ethyl ascorbic acid into the first part of water, that's the hydrosol, and I'm going to be dissolving the tocopheryl acetate in the second part of water. I'll stir both of them and set them aside until they are completely dissolved. By the time we should be back, our xanthan gum and hyaluronic acid should also be completely dissolved, and also these two powders should also be completely dissolved. So coming back to this, everything is completely dissolved. The vitamin E remained like this. Of course, I reached out to the manufacturers of this powder and they agreed that it was okay to be used like this. Please remember that we source high quality and effective raw materials directly from the suppliers and make them available to you who is a formulator, so you can see the description box for more details. So here the ethyl ascorbic acid is completely dissolved, and it is time for us to mix our ingredients together. So I'll first take the vegetable glycerin with xanthan gum and hyaluronic acid. They are completely dissolved in the solution. So I'll transfer this mixture into the beaker containing hydrosol and ethyl ascorbic acid. Now the xanthan gum will begin to hydrate. Although this will need more time for the xanthan gum and the hyaluronic acid to completely hydrate in this mixture, would give it some more time. But while we wait for it, let's go ahead to measure our remaining ingredients. I'll weigh out propylene glycol. This is a super solvent that will help to enhance the penetration of the product into the skin. It is also a humectant and a conditioner. I'll go ahead to add my Germol Plus. This is a broad spectrum preservative and it will be suitable for this product since the pH is around 5. For aesthetic purpose, I'm going to be adding water-soluble food coloring, and I'll be using orange color to show vitamin C some respect. So I'll bring this back after it has fully dissolved and hydrated, and then I'm going to be adding my vitamin E into this. I'll give this a warm stir, and then I'll add the remaining parts of this ingredient into it. Now the next part of this formulation is going to be to check the pH of this product. But in any way, if you've watched to this point, please help me to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. It is totally free to do so, and I'll definitely appreciate your support. If you've been a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. So matching my pH strip against my pH paper, I got a pH of 6, and to do effectively well, this product will be just okay at a pH of 5. So I will have to reduce this till I get a pH of 5 or about 5.5. Also see the consistency of this serum, as the pH is responsible for this very light consistency. Once we adjust the pH, the serum will come back to its normal jelly consistency. I'm going to add a pinch of citric acid powder into this, and then I'm going to stir this formula. As I stirred this, the consistency changed, and as you can see, it's now slimy, as it should. This is one of the reasons why your pH is really important in your formulation, as it will help to fix the colors, fix the consistency, and also make the formulation stable. I will go ahead to check the pH again, and this time around I got a pH of 5, which was just absolutely fine by me for this formulation. And so this vitamin C serum is ready to be used by all skin types, compatible with the rest of your skincare products, hydrates and brightens the skin, suitable for personal and commercial formulas. Shelf life is up to 18 to 24 months. Product is combined with vitamin E, which is a very great antioxidant, and this makes this product a powerhouse of antioxidants. Very okay to be stored in transparent bottles, as it is not sensitive to light and will not oxidize. The vitamin E I used here is also very much optional, and you can also add any brightening ingredient of your choice if you want. So if this video is helpful to you, do well to give me a thumb up. Please subscribe to this channel, it's totally free. You can also grab my ebooks on toners and water soluble serums to enhance your knowledge in making products like these. You can see the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.